Look, fuck you, fuck the plane you flew in on, fuck them shoes, fuck those socks with the bell on it, fuck your gay ass fairy faggot accent, fuck them cheap ass cigars, fuck your yuck mouth teeth, fuck your hairpiece, fuck your chocolate, fuck Guy Ritchie, fuck Prince William, fuck the Queen. This is America. My president is black and my Lambo is blue, nigga. Now get the fuck out my hotel room. And if I see you on the street, I'm slapping the shit out of you.
All these niggas, they talk about me. Low key, I keep it a G. Boy, you know I ain't rapping for free. The degrees, I'm bringing the heat. I'm a goalie, a shorty for keeps. Got the drip, you don't know about this. And your shorty gon' give me a kiss. I ain't worried about your diss. You broke, ain't got no wrist. When I talk on the mic, they listen. Niggas hate, but don't see the vision. I be working, man on a mission. Low key, I hate being sober. Wanna start being high on October. And I know my heart get colder. Got the whole fucking town on my shoulders. I can't stop until I am the best. Hope you can see that I'm not like the rest. I got diamonds all up in my chest. Man, I be chilling and wearing a vest. Next door ain't got no party. Man, I got me a baddie like Cardi. And I call her an angel like Charlie. At the top, I feel like Jeff Hardy. Hakuna Matata, I just want me some Gucci and Prada. You my son and I am your father. This year I'm going harder. If you tryna catch up, don't bother. Two trim, I pop my collar. At school I'm getting smarter. She a freak, I'm finna block her. Low key, I be chasing the check. And I wanna pull up in a Benz. That's me, I'm in your ends. She my Barbie, call me Ken. Bad bitch, 10 out of 10. When I pull up, she dying again. Bad bitch, 10 out of 10. When I pull up, she dying again. Lumdanu ya baba, man I'm praying like Tito Somandla. Mandifika ekasla yakhala, low key ungazodlala. I can't stop until I am the best. Hope you can see that I'm not like the rest. I got diamonds all up in my chest. Man, I be chilling and wearing a vest. Next door ain't got no party. Man, I call me a baddie like Cardi. And I call her an angel like Charlie. At the top, I feel like Jeff Hardy.